Welcome to our roundup of the best sewing machines for beginners. Whether you're learning basic stitching, starting DIY fashion projects, or planning to take your sewing skills to the next level, we've selected top-rated sewing machines that combine ease of use, durability, and versatile features. We'll break down each model's key highlights like stitch options, motor power, speed control, portability, and beginner-friendly functions to help you find the perfect sewing machine for your needs. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest deals. Let's dive in and find the ideal sewing machine for you. The first on the list is the Singer M1500. Featuring lightweight design, 57 stitch applications, and easy threading, the Singer M1500 is a great entry-level sewing machine for beginners who want something simple, compact, and easy to learn. Its lightweight body makes it easy to carry around the house or take to sewing classes, while the compact size also saves desk space for smaller workstations. Even if you've never used a sewing machine before, the straightforward controls make the learning curve feel much less intimidating. This machine comes with 57 stitch applications that cover basic sewing, decorative stitching, blind hems, and simple repairs. That variety gives beginners room to experiment without feeling overwhelmed by too many advanced settings. The preset stitch length and width also reduce mistakes, which is especially useful when you're just starting out. Instead of spending time adjusting complicated settings, you can focus on practicing straight lines and improving sewing accuracy. Another helpful feature is the four-step buttonhole function. It may not be automatic like premium machines, but it still creates clean buttonholes with decent consistency. The quick and easy threading system also speeds up setup time, while the LED lighting improves visibility when sewing darker fabrics. Beginners will appreciate how smoothly the machine handles lightweight materials like cotton, linen, and basic crafts for clothing alterations or alternations. Of course, there are some limitations. The M1500 is not designed for thick denim or heavy-duty fabric layers, and the smaller motor can struggle with demanding projects. Overall, the Singer M1500 is an affordable and beginner-friendly option that keeps sewing simple, approachable, and enjoyable for first-time users. Next up is the Brother XM2701. With 27 built-in stitches, automatic needle threader, and free arm design, the Brother XM2701 stands out as one of the easiest sewing machines for beginners to start using right away. It combines simplicity with enough versatility to handle everything from clothing repairs to beginner quilting projects. The lightweight construction also makes it highly portable, which is perfect for users who may need to store the machine away after each use. The 27 built-in stitches include decorative, zigzag, stretch, and blind hem options, giving beginners more creative freedom than many basic sewing machines. Switching between stitches is quick and intuitive thanks to the clearly marked dial. One feature many new users will love is the automatic needle threader. Threading a needle manually can be frustrating for beginners, but this system saves time and makes setup much easier. The free arm design is another major advantage because it allows users to sew cuffs, sleeves, pant hems, and other cylindrical pieces more comfortably. Combined with the jam-resistant top drop-in bobbin, the machine creates a smoother sewing experience overall. Beginners often struggle with tangled thread and bobbin issues, so the transparent bobbin cover helps users monitor thread levels and avoid interruptions during projects. Overall, the Brother XM2701 is an excellent sewing machine for beginners who want user-friendly controls, reliable stitching, and enough versatility to support long-term learning. Next, we have the Singer Heavy Duty 4425. Equipped with heavy-duty metal frame, 1100 stitches per minute, and 32 built-in stitches, the Singer 4425 is designed for beginners who want extra power and room to grow into more advanced projects. Unlike many entry-level machines, this model focuses heavily on speed and durability, making it ideal for users planning to sew thicker fabrics like denim, canvas, or upholstery materials. The powerful motor delivers faster sewing speeds than standard beginner machines, allowing users to complete projects more efficiently. Even though the machine is fast, the foot pedal remains responsive enough to controlled sewing when needed. The heavy-duty metal frame also helps minimize vibration during operation, giving the machine a more stable and professional feel. Its 32 built-in stitches provide a balanced mix of essential utility stitches, decorative patterns, stretch stitches, and a one-step buttonhole feature. Beginners can start with basic repairs and gradually move into clothing creation, home decor, or craft projects without immediately needing an upgrade. The adjustable presser foot pressure is another valuable feature because it improves control when switching between lightweight and heavy materials. Overall, the Singer 4425 is a fantastic choice for beginners who want a strong, fast, and durable sewing machine capable of handling both simple and demanding projects for years to come. Coming up next, we have the Brother CS7000X. Featuring 70 built-in stitches, computerized controls, and wide table support, the Brother CS7000X is perfect for beginners who want advanced features without an overly complicated experience. This computerized sewing machine combines precision, convenience, and versatility, making it suitable for everything from fashion sewing to quilting and decorative projects. One of the biggest strengths of this machine is its computerized interface. The LCD display clearly shows stitch selections, settings, and adjustments, helping beginners feel more confident when sewing. With 70 built-in stitches available, users can explore utility stitching, decorative patterns, heirloom designs, and quilting options all from one machine. Overall, the Brother CS7000X offers an impressive balance of smart features, versatility, and beginner-friendly controls, making it one of the most complete sewing machines for learning and growing your skills. The last one on our list is the Singer Heavy Duty 4423. Built with heavy-duty motor, 1100 stitch speed, and 23 built-in stitches, the Singer 4423 earns its spot as one of the best beginner sewing machines for users who want power, reliability, and simplicity all in one package. This machine is especially appealing for beginners who plan to work with thicker materials or want a sewing machine that can keep up with long-term use. The powerful motor delivers enhanced piercing strength, allowing the machine to sew through denim, canvas, leather, and multiple fabric layers more smoothly than standard beginner models. Combined with its high sewing speed, projects can be completed much faster while still maintaining clean and consistent stitches. The sturdy metal frame also improves durability and stability during operation. The 23 built-in stitches cover essential sewing functions, including basic stitches, stretch stitches, decorative patterns, and a one-step buttonhole feature. Overall, the Singer 4423 is a powerful and dependable sewing machine that delivers professional-level durability while remaining beginner-friendly enough for new users to learn with confidence. So, that's it for the best sewing machines for beginners. Each of these models offers something unique, whether it's lightweight portability, computerized precision, heavy-duty performance, or beginner-friendly controls. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep creating and keep sewing.